Okay, hi, it's August the 8th, Saturday, and you see where I'm on the porch enjoying the rain. And I got my trusty guard cat with me tonight. Let me see if I can get a shot of him. Got to stand up. Guard cat, that's Oscar, my trusty guard cat. He's just out here with me. We're enjoying the rain. It sort of cooled it down a little, but not a great lot. Hey, Oscar. I'm telling you, when the cat is in the video, I've had videos with him in it to get over 60,000 views. But if it's just me in the video, nobody pays any attention to my videos. That's kind of discouraging. But Oscar does have, he's got videos with over 60,000 views in some of them. But that's my old guard cat, Oscar. He's a good cat. He's a real good cat. I think all we're supposed to have is a gentle rain. I don't think it's supposed to be heavy, just I would like to see a nice rain. I'm looking forward to the winter time because I don't care for Florida in the summer, but I like it when fall comes. I like it when I can wear a light jacket. See, even Oscar's enjoying the rain. You enjoying that rain, Oscar? It cooled it down a little bit. Yep, if he's in a video, lots of views. If I do a video by myself, bad. It's discouraging. I should have named this channel Oscar's Adventures, not Carnivore Joyce. Oscar's Adventures. But like I said in my short videos, it's Oscar and Thumper of the cat. What they're usually doing is what I did during the day. Like what was it? Yesterday I dropped those eggs off at church to be donated. I took 13 dozen eggs over there. 13 dozen yesterday. And there was a couple in the store, and well, it's like a thrift store next to the church. It's a thrift store. I say the church, but it's a thrift store next to the church. But anyway, I took 13 dozen eggs over there, and she set them out there, and she was taking a carton back to the kitchen there to put her carton up to save. And I called her and said, okay, I'll see you later. Now, there was a couple in the store shopping, and I told them, I said, when you leave, have her give you a dozen eggs if you want them. They're free. Well, she told me today while they were in the kitchen, well, she was in the kitchen, the people grabbed up all of those eggs and went out the door with them. So I think they got away with at least 9 or 10 dozen eggs. So, I mean, they took them all. And so the woman told me today she's not putting them out no more. She's going to put them behind the counter. And she'll just offer them. She'll just ask people if they would like some. But no, they were sitting out there. I had just set them all down and said goodbye to her. She went in the other room, and she said when she came back out, they had left and took all the eggs. So at least she got a dozen or two eggs. So I mean that's a shame. I know they didn't need them. They're probably selling them, but that's a shame that because I don't want to sell them. That will defeat my purpose. Because my purpose is I'm trying to show kindness to people, and because some people are having a rough time, and so if I can help them out just a little bit, I will. But she's going to have to keep them behind the counter. Yeah, I mean, there's a taco restaurant not far from me. That woman, she gives eggs out for me too, but she puts them behind the counter. and the barber at the barber shop, he gives them out for me too. But anyway, and then I have a lot of other people I can always give them to. So, but my son's been on a medical leave, and he had taken care of the delivering of the eggs, and he hasn't been doing it for a while. Every now and then he'll do a couple for me, but I'm just kind of sticking locally and delivering them local. And but hope those people like those eggs. I mean, 'cause I dropped off 4 more dozen of her today. But yeah, that was 2 days ago. I left 13 dozen. I took 4 more dozen of her today. So I hope they enjoy them. But it's just not fair because I had told them they were to be donated only, and so she said they took them all. So I don't think she'll let that happen again. All right, everybody. I'll let you see out that way one more time. It's a beautiful evening. We have a gentle rain. I'm loving it. All right. Pray for the peace of Jerusalem. Pray for our country. Pray for our leaders. And remember all the military in prayer. They need our prayer. And pray for this country. And remember, if you don't know Jesus as your personal Savior, just ask Him to come in your heart and forgive you of your sin. And saying that won't save you, but if you believe it from your heart, your life will change. Okay, I'm going to get off here. I don't want to hold you long. And let me know where you're watching from. And leave Oscar a comment. He'd appreciate it. God bless you. Have a great night.